All right. So, guys, this is number 11 out of 10.3. And it's asking us, it says, to help pay for a class trip at the end of their senior year, the freshman class at the high school wants to, or invests $1,800 from fundraisers in a 42-month CD paying 3.1% interest compounded monthly. Let's see. Determine the amount the class will receive when it cashes their CD after 42 months. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're trying to figure out how much money we're going to end up with, right? So I'm going to use my compound interest formula. So it's A equals P times 1 plus, there we go, R over N to the power N times T, right? Excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead and start plugging in my values. So P is the amount of money that we're investing, right? So they told us that we were investing $1,800. So I'm going to put $1,800 here. And then 1 plus, our interest rate is 3.1%. So remember, as a decimal, that's 0.031. I have to move my decimal 2 spaces to the left when it's a percent. Okay. And it's being compounded monthly, so my N here is going to be 12. Okay. And then the next part here is N times T. So remember, my N is 12, right? Now my time, they gave us the time actually in months, right? So remember, the time is usually in years. So the way I would express this in years is I would take 42 and I would just divide it by 12, right? So guys, you don't actually have to do this computation. You can just write it right here, 42 over 12, okay? And so now, the rest of this, y'all, I'm going to do this on my calculator. The only thing I'm going to clean up here a little bit is 12. So remember, when I'm multiplying, I can think of this as 12 over 1. So what's going to happen, y'all, is that this 12 on the top is going to cancel with that 12 on the bottom. So this is just going to be 42. That's the only thing I'm really going to clean up here, okay? And then now I'm going to take this and I'm going to enter it in exactly as I see it on my calculator, okay? So let me get my calculator app going. Here it is. Let me clear that out. So we have 1,800 times, and then parentheses, 1 plus 0.031 divided by 12, and then we were raising it to the power, and remember the 12s canceled out, so we were just left with 42. And so I'm going to round this to the nearest penny. So the nearest penny, this is going to be $2,006.01. So here my amount is going to be $2,006 and excuse me, and a penny. Okay, if y'all got any questions, again, this is number 11 out of 10.3. If y'all got any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to help.